So here we are back at Tramonto. The fire happened January 7th, Tuesday. We were here that day and seaplanes were buzzing overhead. Smoke was coming over the ridge. And then my crew left. I went around the corner and helped my client, her daughter, her 5 cats, 2 dogs, and 2 turtles. We got on the road, got them out of here, and then I went right behind them, and I just parked at Maestro's parking lot and watched the whole hillside burn down for an hour. With that wind, and it was, every time a plume of black smoke appeared, you knew another family lost everything that they had lived in and knew. It just disappeared so fast. And our project survived the initial day, and I think that was thanks to our preparations. But the second day, the fire came back around the ridge somehow, and somehow it jumped the street, didn't touch the front yard, but got to the house. There's a big crater in the middle of the house. The steel superstructure underneath just melted and collapsed, and it was concrete and steel. It's a very complicated situation, and our heart goes out to everybody who lost everything. We lost quite a bit, actually. This house and one other project we lost completely to the fire, and then 4 other projects were paused, put on hold, stopped, and that all happened in the span of a week. And it's been a real act of survival. But there's so many people with so many losses, and we feel terrible. But meantime, we're gonna demo this house and put it back together again the best we can. So